Alright, today we changed the oil. I need 2 bottles at least of 10W40. It's 1.1, so crush washer, 12mm socket, and probably a drain pan would be helpful. So this right here is your oil drain plug. So this oil's gonna be hot. Not bad at all. Alright, so we'll take our old crush washer off. Well, first we're gonna go like this. Now there is no oil filter on this bike. Oh, there is. There's not one you have to change right now. It's got a centrifugal oil filter. You change every 70, well, gets cleaned, I think, every 7,500 miles. So let that drain out pretty good. Now the torque specs for this are 13 to 15 pounds, I think, if I remember correctly. I don't have a torque wrench that goes that low, so for now, we're just gonna give her hand tight like that. Well, not hand tight, but yeah. Give her a little wrench, nothing crazy. 'Cause I'm gonna go to the store after this and pick up a torque wrench that goes that low. Alright. Next step would be to pop your oil cap, which is right here. And then we're gonna fill it. That'll do. Hopefully. Anyways. Ball number 1. One, and then just a sip of bottle 2. If anything's gonna be a little bit under, so. Settle. This is what the owner's manual, how the owner's manual tells you to check the oil. So while that settles, I'm gonna go grab chain link. check the oil, you run it, let it sit for a minute, pull your dipstick out, it's way cleaner than I did before, put it in, don't screw it, make sure you got this gasket up far enough because it'll roll down sometimes so that you're actually touching the threads, and then pull it back out and we look good, I think. Perfect. That's that. Close her up. You're good to go again.